In this video, I'm going to show you how to be smaller on Roblox. Make your avatar smaller. Let's dive in. Head over to the Roblox application and then click on the avatar section at the bottom menu. You're going to go over to Marketplace to search for some characters. So first, search for Claire. So we can see Claire is a free character. You just need to purchase it for free. So we've purchased Claire. The next character we are going to search for is Denny. As you can see, Denny is equally a free character, so we can just purchase this for free. The next character we are going to search for is City Life Woman. As we can see, this is equally a free character, and we are just going to purchase it for free. So now that all our characters have been purchased, let's head over to the Customize section. So click over here on the Customize section. We are going to be making use of Claire for our starting avatar. So click on characters and then click on purchase. We are going to be starting with Claire. Click on switch. So when you do that, click on the heads and body tabs. Scroll to where you have torsos. And for the torsos, we are going to be making use of our City Life Woman avatar. Scroll again to where you have left arms. And for the left arms, we are going to be making use of Denny. For the right arms, we are going to be making use of Denny as well. Scroll again to where you have left legs, and since we're already on Claire, we're going to just let that be because we're already using Claire's legs. So when you're done doing this, click on build and make sure you scroll this all the way down to have the smallest size of your avatar. For the body size, make sure you scroll this all the way down as well and slightly towards the left in order to have your small avatar. So when you're done doing this, it's time to customize your accessories and clothing. You can just head over back to Marketplace and search for free. So here you're going to have a list of accessories and clothing which you can use on your avatar for free. Let's use this sweater right here, and then let's use this blonde hair right here. When you're done styling your avatar with the clothing and accessories as you see fit, you can just go back to the Customize section. As you can see, we've achieved a very tiny and good looking avatar. It's that simple.